Forget everything you have been told about weight loss. I lost 80 pounds and I maintained a healthy weight by doing four simple things. And this has allowed me to have amazing energy and prevent chronic disease or fear of a heart attack.
He will share with you 4 things he did to lose 80 pounds and maintain a healthy weight naturally and get his sexiness back. The fourth one, I promise, no one is talking about.
Yeah. I wasn't always out of shape, but I always felt that no matter what I did, sometimes I would put weight on and cycle on and off. More than anything else, I always felt tired and I got kind of tired of feeling like crap all the time.
Hmm.
We live this life, life just gets in the way. You forget about yourself, you focus on other things.
Yes, you're working, you're raising a family, you're taking care of a house, you are trying to do everything else. And those are big ones, right? Take care of your family and see your extended family and friends.
Yeah, you lose sight of yourself. When you're a little kid, you're a selfish plan all the time. Then you grow up, you start focusing. Sometimes it can be as simple as watching all the sports teams and getting totally invested in the Lakers or the Rams or the baseball team. It takes away from you. About 7 or so years ago, I watched two of my friends. They died from heart attacks in their 40s,
Yeah, they were young.
really young, all in the same year.
Yeah.
And that woke me up and it made me realize I need to change something in my life before I end up on that same path. I didn't want to go down that road anymore.
What really made you change that lifestyle? What drove you to change that?
Yeah, that was a spark. Then it just became a point where just being observant, trying to understand what was going on, how come that was happening all around me, and what were some commonalities. The one thing I can always point back to is just the standard American lifestyle.
Hmm.
I would work out when I felt like it. However, when I worked out, I would reward myself with a donut. I would socialize with friends, drinking, having a big pie and wings. I thought I was doing good, but I was just damaging my body the whole time. And I came to the realization, even when I had the salad with all the cheese dressing and croutons, I wasn't really thinking about what it was doing to my body.
Body, right? You weren't giving your body the nourishment it needed.
So when your life gets in the way, you start getting into this whole cycle. You know, you feel good in the moment. The party over here, we're Upper West Side, downtown, having a good time watching Rams, eating wings. But after you're done, you just feel terrible overall. What made me change was just how I was truly feeling and realizing what can happen.
Hmm.
Because there's a difference between being healthy and fit.
Explain to people what that is.
Yeah, so even though I was living when I was younger, I was living this lifestyle. I would look fit. I would have muscles because I would pump iron. I would do a
Because
little
of
bit of
youth.
running.
Okay.
However, my internal, I was doing bad things to my body, but my health was going down, declining.
So that's like your friends who died. I'm sorry, to God rest their souls. You're young and you think you're invincible and you may look healthy on the outside because you have
Fit.
muscles, not fit, but look healthy.
Fit. Yeah. So that's exactly what prompted me to be a little more observant.